Magandang hapon po ng January 1, 2026 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng January 1, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, January 1, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 1, 2026 Thursday. Here are my tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, January 1, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 1, 2026 Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.